Watch till the end.
Get an oil change. And these animals some damn food. I've been driving the shit out of Jenny. He better not get no bright ideas. At Walmart, finna go get this food. Let them change my oil in that bit. Gonna check the bin. Just finish up that paperwork. You finna get that thing bring on in here. Who, Billy Earl? Everywhere I go, they talking about that damn goat. Yeah. Get that baby oil change. And I need to get a wash too. I've been swinging that bitch. Ooh. It was already on the CD player. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry. All right, thank y'all. Damn. My bad about that, man. I got it. Hey, that shit scared the shit out of me. I swear Jenny don't wham though. I swear Jenny don't wham though. I gotta go get these animals some food. Oh, you're fine. I'm gonna start with Bella. Get the mom thinking some crack on. For the chickens. Well, I done got they shit. See what I can find me to eat, snack on while I wait for my oil get changed. Let's see what Walmart got, or what I can afford anyway. Hey, for our shit. Now we finna just go back here and chill and wait till the car done. Almost got my motherfucking egg roll. Waiting for them to finish that oil. I couldn't afford them that food that they had. I had to give me a couple egg rolls. What y'all doing though?